Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's algorithm. In this video, we would be solving this problem word pattern. So we are given a pattern and a string s, and we have to check if the given string matches this given pattern. So here the pattern is a b b a. So if we consider that a matches with dog, so then b matches with cat, then next b again matches with cat, and then A matches with dog. So here each word matches with exactly one character and they are in the same order, so we can return true because the pattern matches the string. In this second example, we can see that A matches with the dog, and then B matches with cat, and another B matches with the cat, and this last A matches with the fish, but it was previously matching with this dog, so we can return false because this pattern does not match exactly with the string. So yeah, now what essentially we can do is we can keep on matching these characters with each of the words here. So let's say we match A with dog, and then B with cat. Now when we came across this second B, we can see that we already have an entry where this B is matching with this cat. So we can check if this character which is at this third position where the B lies, this is the third position, so we can check if the word here is the same word which was previously matched with this character, and if this is so, we can just continue doing this. So we can match this last character and check again. Yeah, this also matches with the first A which was previously pointing to dog. So yeah, we can return true in this case. Now let's consider the third example. Now here, as we start traversing this pattern, we can see that this A first matches with this dog, and then this A matches with this cat, but it was previously matching with this dog, so we can immediately return false. So yeah, this is it. Let's start coding this. So first we'll create a hash map which will store the mapping of this character in the pattern with the word in the string. Now let's split this sentence into words. Now we can add a condition that if the number of words in this string is equal to the number of characters in this pattern, if they are not equal, then we can immediately return false because they can never satisfy our condition in this case. So let's check this. Now let's iterate through the characters in the pattern. So now we'll just extract our character and the word. Now let's extract the word. Now let's check that if the character is present in our map or not. Now if the character is present in the map, then we can check that if the word which is mapped to this character, is it the same word. If this is not the case, then we can return false. Else we'll check if the word is present in the map or not, because if it is present, this simply means that the word is mapped to any other character. In this case, we can return false. Now at last we can just map this character with the particular word. So just put this in the map. So yeah, if everything seems fine, then we can just return our answer as true. Here it is C not O. Okay, so let's just run it. So what's the error here? Sorry, here is just 0. Okay, so we can just run this. So yeah, it gets accepted. Let's submit it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.